Hey you guys, it's your girl Susie back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit your videos using Imovie. The first step, go to your app store right now on your iPad or your iPhone or even an iPod Touch and download Imovie. Once you've downloaded Imovie, go ahead and click on the app and it should bring you to a page just like this. Go ahead and tap that plus sign to start a new movie or trailer. Now you have the option to choose movie or trailer. You're only going to need movie, that's the main focus. Just always click movie, movie, movie. Once you select movie, it's going to prompt you to select the video, pictures, whatever you're going to need to make your video. So here are the two videos that I'm going to be using. If you would like to add more clips, you simply go to the top right hand corner where the plus sign is and click that, and it will bring you to your video, moments, albums, wherever your selected clips are. Just click on them and it will import directly below. So oftentimes when we're recording our videos, there are things that you are not going to want a part of that video. I know I always say, you know, like, and you want to figure out how to cut that part out. You're going to select the video. You can see the word split below, but it's grayed out. You have to move the slider over so that you can get to a certain point where you can split it. And then you select the part that you don't want and you click the delete button down below. Y'all, look at the clouds. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful outside. It's probably blazing. Blazing. Who is gonna go outside? Not me. No. I am definitely not going outside. This next step is going to show you a transition from me being inside to going outside. This right here is the transition between the first video and the second video. I was inside, then I was outside. Below you have the seconds, how long you want your transition to be. Also the sound of that transition, you can turn it on and off, and below different kinds of transitions. Here is an example of what the transition will sound like. All right. It's not that bad outside. That whoosh sound is the sound of that particular transition. If you want to add text, you select titles below. Here are the different kinds of text. I usually use pop-up. Then you just tap on the text and you type whatever you want for your title or whatever you're trying to say in your video. I'm gonna have you guys subscribe to my channel as always. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, all the way across the board. In this case, you can barely see the text, but if you look at the bottom, you can select either center or lower to bring it below so that you can see it a little bit clearer. But of course, my background in the video with the window and the net, you can barely see. Subscribe to my channel. You can see it, but you can't see it. Now we have the filters where you can change it to vintage, western, whatever you want, so that, you know, you can switch up your video a little bit, you know, just a little bit. Got that black and white, that blast filter looks popping. Here is what it will look like when you play it all back. Y'all, look at the... On the left, you have the little microphone next to the camera where you can record whenever you're doing a voiceover. This is how it would look when you record. You can either cancel it, retake it, review to hear what it sounds like, or you accept it. You can also change the speed of your video. Make sure you select the video, you look down below, select speed. You can use the scroll bar to go left for slow and right for fast. Here is what it will sound like.
Y'all, look at the clouds.
Y'all, look at the clouds. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful outside.
Okay, you guys, I basically gave you a rundown on the main things that you're gonna come across when it comes to editing your videos through iMovie. Go ahead and follow me on Snapchat at ITSS_slim. Connect with me. I will respond. I'm always on Snapchat. That's the go-to. If you're not on Snapchat, I don't know what else you're on. Oh, you're on YouTube watching my videos. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions you may have. And peace.